HICCTV Security Group.
Hi, John.
Welcome to HICCTV Security Group. Here in this project, we want to replace the old analog Dahua cameras with the brand new IP Tiandy cameras. As you see, this is the cables of the old analog cameras Dahua. It's very old and not a good quality. It's up to 10 to 15 years old. So all damaged cables. If you want to repair it, the cost is approximately the same if you replace completely with the brand new IP cameras. So we recommend it to replace with the brand new IP cameras. And if you have analog cameras with a very blur or actually at a good quality image, you can contact HICCTV Security Group and our team, our technical team, will explain how you can replace it. It's not so hard, it's not difficult, we'll easily replace it for you, and then after that you will see the difference between your old cameras and the brand new IP cameras. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.